Good morning, kindergartners. I miss all of you and I'm excited to sing the morning meeting song with you. Are you ready? Eyes are watching, ears are listening, voices quiet, bodies calm. This is how we listen, this is how we listen, at time, at time. Eyes are watching, ears are listening, voices quiet, bodies calm. This is how we listen, this is how we listen, at time, at time. Eyes are watching, ears are listening, voices quiet, bodies calm. This is how we listen, this is how we listen, at time, at time. Good job, everyone. Good morning, my kindergarten friends. I hope you're doing well. I miss you all so much. I'm going to do a few stretches for you so that you can follow along. Put your feet out front. Try to touch your toes. Bring both your feet in. Make your legs look like a butterfly. You're going to bring your arms around and give yourself a big hug. Good. Now we're going to stand up. Whoop. Reach up as high as you can and touch your toes. Now we're going to kneel. And I want you to reach up as high as you can. We're going to bend over to our right. Now bend over to your left. And shake it out. Good job, everyone. I'll see you soon. Hello, kindergarten. We're going to do our days of the week with our sign language. So first we're going to start with Sunday. Put your hands up and circle them. Sunday. Ready? We're going to make an M. 1, 2, 3, and our thumb. Turn it towards ourselves. Circle it for Monday. Ready? Now we're going to make a T, which is one finger in your thumb. Turn it towards yourself and circle it Tuesday. Now we're going to make a W. We're going to turn it towards ourselves and circle it for Wednesday. Now we're going to make an H. And we're going to circle it for Thursday. We're going to make an F. So you put your thumb and your first finger together. You're going to turn it towards yourself and circle it for Friday. And now we're going to make an S. We're going to turn it towards ourselves and circle it for Saturday. What day of the week is today? Can you show your parents?
Today is Wednesday.
Hi, kindergartners. What are the months of the year?
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Hi, kindergartners.
Hey kids, are you in elementary school like us? Do you love science? Well, we love science!
Did you know that there are 4 seasons in every year? What's your favorite season?
If you know all the seasons, clap your hands. If you know all the seasons, clap your hands. If you know all the seasons, you've got 4 terrific reasons to shout out and name the seasons. Clap your hands.
If you really love the winter, go like this. If you really love the winter, go like this. 'Cause the winter is the season when your nose is always freezing and you're shivering and sneezing. Go like this.
In the spring you run and play and shout hooray! Hooray! In the spring you run and play and shout hooray! Hooray! In the spring the grass is growing and the gentle breeze is blowing and the warmer sun is glowing. Shout hooray! Hooray!
Well, if you really love the summer, stamp your feet. If you really love the summer, stamp your feet. In the summer you can play and swim and camp and fish all day. All summer, please don't go away. Stamp your feet.
If you really love the autumn, slap your knees. If you really love the autumn, slap your knees. When it's beginning to get cold and the leaves turn red and gold, then it's back to school you go. Slap your knees.
The weather is. The season is.
Ping pong. Ping pong. Time shapes. Let's go. Circle. Curve around and back to start. Curve around and back to start. Curve around and back to start. I must go. Square. Slide it down and slide it up. Slide it down and slide it up. Slide it down and slide it up.
I'm a square.
Triangle.
The mountain down and back. Up the mountain down and back. Up the mountain down and back.
I'm a triangle. Rectangle. And short and long and short. Long and short and long and short. Long and short and long and short.
I'm a rectangle.
Drawing shapes. Whoa,
Make a long curve and back up. Make a long curve and back up. Make a long curve and back up.
I'm an oval. Sure. Up and down a cross. Up and down a cross. Up and down a cross.
I'm a star.
Heart. Go over and over hills. Go over and over hills. Go over and over hills. I'm a heart. Diamond. Up and down and take the ground. Up and down and take the ground. Up and down and take the ground. I'm a diamond. Drawing shapes. Yeah. I'm a
All done.